I'm Amy from Doodledog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how you can easily fill in gaps in your punching. Let's get started. Sometimes when you finish a punch needle project, you end up with areas that have no punching. This could be caused by not punching the rows close enough together, or not punching each stitch close enough, or it could be that the loops just didn't go all the way through for some reason. As you become a more seasoned puncher, this problem happens less and less, but it does still happen occasionally to all of us. Now, you can see here on this bird's wing, I've got a pretty wide gap right in here where I don't have any punching that I need to fill in. And when I turn that over, I can see right away that I missed this area right here, and I can just go back in and punch that, and that will fill that in. So I'm just going to punch right in this open area. And then when I turn that over, you can see that that has filled that area in nicely. Other times, like here, I have this gap in the bird. When I turn it over, it's hard to tell where the problem is. It's not as obvious as if I just didn't punch a section. So what I do is, from the front side, where I can tell where the problem is, I take a straight pin and poke it into the hole and push it through, and then when I turn it over, I can see where the problem is. Now if there were gaps here, I could just punch in the opening or the gap. Since there aren't any obvious gaps in the back of the punching, it's best to take the thread out so you're not punching over existing thread. So I'm just going to pull one of these pins out and use it to pull up the threads in this area. I can tell that they didn't punch all the way through, and that's why it left a gap. And then I'll just cut those off. Then I will punch this area. This is a great way to find the bad spots, so you can just punch the trouble section and not have to repunch the entire project. Now the bird from the front looks just fine. I hope you found that helpful. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.